Okay, yeah, so currently using the bots to trade. As you can see, the profit right now is $703 using $1,000 as stake. Then this is 3 runs and number of win is 3 currently, no losses. And this is actually 4-1, no 0 loss. So this is using the boat at a solid time. By this time the market is a bit cooler, right? So that's why I'm running this boat currently right now. And as you can see, this is five runs, no loss. So this is basically how the boat works. It's for you to click on run and it is reset. Yeah, bye bye. I'll be stopping it now. So stop the boat, and as you can see, 1,700 and something profit on this demo. Though this is a demo account, but like 1,000 bagged. So I'll click on reset right now. 5 runs, 1 reset. I can